Are you looking for the best shelves adhesive no drill bathroom shelf? In this video we will look at some of the best shelves adhesive no drill bathroom shelf on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bathroom Hairdryer Holder Wall Stand. Bathroom Hairdryer Holder Wall Mounted Organizer Spiral Stand Holder Rack Aluminium Bathroom Shelf Storage Accessory Wall Shelf 100% brand new and high quality. Multifunction storage. Clear up the bathroom of the debris, toothbrush, comb, cosmetics, hair dryer, so that your bathroom clean and tidy. Save space. Number 2. Shelves Adhesive No Drill Bathroom Shelf Corner Storage Rack. Multi-installing 2-pack drill-free bathroom shelf with 4 hooks to help you save more space. You can make the corner caddy self-adhesive or drill it on the wall. Just take the way you like. Durable and sturdy, this bathroom caddy is all-space aluminium design, resists daily scratches and tarnishing. Hollow and ventilated design to make water drain fast. Keep your bath products on the bathroom shelf dry and clean. Number 3. Wall-mounted punch-free toilet hair dryer rack bathroom. 3-step hardcore to create a rust-free material open design, easy to take and place without obstruction, applicable to 99% of hair dryers, regardless of model. Strong and durable, not easy to fall off. Orderly storage, embellishing space aesthetics. Number 4. No need to drill walls for installation aluminium bathroom. The bathroom organizer comes with nuts and adhesives, which can support 2 installation methods of pasting and drilling. You can freely choose the installation method you like to obtain the appropriate load-bearing capacity. High-quality material shower caddy basket shelves are made of high-quality space aluminium, waterproof, anti-rust, not easy to deform and durable. Number 5. Bathroom Shelf Kitchen Storage. Wall-mounted type, easy to install and saves space. Space aluminium material, non-rusting, durable, resistant to moisture, strong load-bearing capacity. Single tier provides ample storage space for your bathroom essentials. Corner shelf makes use of unused space in your bathroom. No drilling, damage-free, powerful adhesive, strong load-bearing, works on any smooth surfaces. Easy to remove and reinstall.